so sorry, girl.
What is wrong with you? Can I have a piece of candy or a piece of gum when we get home?
Yeah, oh, man. Grab his arm.
I got his leg and his arm.
Grab his arm!
Okay. Now we're gonna take you over her. Right over here, Jake. I mean, bad guy. Bad guy. Oh, sorry. Alright, let's get you on the couch. Alrighty.
Now we can do this the easy way. We could do this
The hard way.
Yeah, the
That's
hard
the
way.
easy way.
You tell us what happened.
on
The Friday the 13th of the Friday the 13th. On the Friday the 13th.
Nice one, Curly.
Thank you.
Well, I ate lunch with my family.
What really happened on the Friday the 13th of the Friday the 13th? On the Friday the 13th.
Well, I didn't see you on the Friday.
You were eating those monsters.
No, I wasn't.
And what you really have, you need to lose some of this.
Yeah.
Jump, cub, fup, a lubba.
Well, it's not my fault.
That you're fat?
Why you guys even kidnapping me?
You don't tell me what happened. I'm gonna show you things with sunglasses up your pie hole.
My mom's a monster.
My grandma's a monster.
Hey!
Get him, boss.
Give me my bag.
Alright. I'm just gonna ride this, my horsey up the stairs. Alright, and see you later. My ball.
What'll happen next on Die You Monster Die? Be sure to subscribe to Jake89806.